Now, what do you all make of the intention of the world governing body of football, FIFA, to stage the Centenary Edition of the World Cup in 2030 across 3 continents and 6 separate nations? It will kick off in Argentina, Paraguay, and Uruguay, and then move to Spain, Portugal, and Morocco. Initially, this sounded kind of weird, both logistically and in terms of each World Cup tournament tending to have a locational identity. Now with 6 host nations, which country will we identify with the 2030 World Cup? That aside though, many people said the last World Cup in Qatar could not work. FIFA made it the best World Cup ever. That Qatar tournament for me is proof that FIFA can stage the World Cup anywhere, across any border, in any culture and in any conditions and make it work. That is the kind of resources that FIFA has at its disposal. FIFA can pull off any spectacle and do it spectacularly. So what will be interesting is not if they can pull it off, but how they're going to pull it off, and if Jamaica will be there.